with Countess of Low Carb, and on this episode we're going to cook scallops. How to cook scallop recipe for easy, delicious scallops for the ketogenic diet, coming up next. Hey guys, it's Elizabeth, Countess of Low Carb. I have lost 67 pounds through keto and through intermittent fasting, and on today's episode I'm going to teach you how to cook scallops, my easy scallop recipe to get high fats in, moderate protein, low carb recipe. Super, super simple how to cook your scallops. If you love this video, smash the like button. Put down in the comments below, cook scallops, so I know to do more recipes just like this one. And also you can sign up for my free weekly keto meal plan that gets emailed to you down in the description link below. Now let's dive into the recipe. Cheap keto hack, I'm gonna cut these, I'm gonna split these into 3 different packages, so it makes it a $30 meal into a $10 per meal, and I'll just supplement it with something a little bit less expensive to still stay at keto on a budget and to make cheap keto meals. So I've taken the air out of all 3 bags. This is gonna be a portion size for later. This is gonna be great for a keto meal. And notice I have my little clearance Halloween ones, even though it's almost St. Patrick's Day. But I have these 3, gonna pop those into the freezer for when I need them to start cooking with them. So I'm gonna get my pan heated up for my scallops. These were frozen. I love getting the Costco kind. It's too big of a portion for my family, so I just freeze them. So I'm gonna unfreeze them by running some cold water over them for the portion size that I want while my pan is getting heated up. So let me go ahead and start thawing these out to make them basically fresh scallops, not frozen. So while those are getting off, I'm gonna go ahead and put my butter into our warm pan and start melting the butter. And you don't want your pan to be too hot. See, this pan is too hot because the butter's turning brown. So I'm going to turn my pan down a little bit and make this less hot. It just needs to be on medium heat, but not, this is way too hot for the scallops. And so this is good that I'm putting the butter in to check to see what my temperature is. So I patted my scallops dry, and I'm just going to put these in the pan. And I'm going to cook them on 3 minutes on each side because of the thickness. Look how thick these are. That's going to cook probably more. Normally for thinner scallops, I would only cook for about 2 minutes because you don't want them to be too rubbery. So I'm going to put the timer on and closely monitor these to make sure I don't overcook them. And the sesame seed dust, so I'm squeezing it all in there. And the timer is now set, so I will flip these in 3 minutes. So my alarm's about ready to go off. Oh, there's my alarm. Turning it off. I'm going to sprinkle a little of my Old Bay on top for some seasoning, and I'm going to flip these bad boys over. And again, same thing for 3 minutes, but I'm also going to monitor because these are thicker scallops. Most scallops I would do 2 and 2. I also have foil covering them because these were frozen. So let's put some Old Bay on here. And if you want some Old Bay seasoning, I'll put that in the description link below. Because these were frozen, I'm going to recover and again put my timer on for 3 more minutes because of the thickness. Most scallops, not as thick, I would do for only 2 minutes on each side. So I am plating some amazing scallops. I can put my pesto Alfredo on top of there, but I'm just going to eat these the way they are with a little bit of Old Bay seasoning sprinkled on top. And I'm going to plate these for my family. And this is an amazing lazy keto meal. It's perfect. So here is my amazing scallop recipe. It's delicious. They're not chewy. They're not rubbery. It's a perfect scallop. Bon appetit, friends. If you love this video, make sure you put down in the comments below, cook scallops, so I know to do more videos just like this one. Smash that like button and sign up for my free weekly keto meal plan that's emailed every single Wednesday for Weight Loss Wednesday by signing up down in the description link below. Make it a powerful day, guys, and check out my how to steam shrimp video down in the description link too.